Good morning, students. Today we will start lesson number 1, Geography as a subject. In previous classes, we study about the general knowledge of the geography. These knowledge are required to start for study of the geography. Clear? And now we start here geography as a subject. Geography as a subject. The last class and all these last class informations and the study points are used in these lessons and the whole geography study. Now, what is here geography as a subject? In 10th class, we study the geography in the as a part of social science. Where in last class, in last class, we study like economics, political science, geography, history as a part of social science. And in this class we study about the geography as a subject. Here the geography a independent subject. Okay, here the geography a independent subject. Why we study the geography? First of all, here the questions. Why we study the geography? हम geography को क्यों पढ़े, है ना? What was the reason for we study the geography? The geography is the description of the earth. Geography is the description of the earth. We stable, yeah, we survival on the earth, and the earth surface many features like the many relief, mountains, valley, rear valley regions, plain regions. All these are the physical features, and the social features. Social feature on the surface have the many differences, and all these are like the resources, minerals. All these used for us for survival on the surface. So we want here to study of the geography. यानी हम geography को इसलिए पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि geography हम कहेंगे हमारे जो काम आने वाली चीजें हैं like resources, minerals, ठीक ना, like air, water, and many other features. All these are on the earth. All these are on the earth. और ये जो अर्थ से रिलेटेड जो हमारे काम आने वाला है, इसको हम स्टडी करें तो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है हमारे लिए? Here the subject is geography. Here the subject is geography. So we start here the study of the geography. First of, earth is our home. Earth is our home. The earth surface is not uniform. Here the earth surface is not uniform. Here the physical and the cultural differences found in the physical, social and cultural differences found on the earth surface. Here the earth surface is not uniform. Here the total relief, different type of relief found here. Mountains, plateau, plain regions, and the trenches also found here. The earth surface is not uniform here. ठीक है? It has the variation in the physical features. Variation it has variations in its physical features. Physical features की हमने बात की. Where somewhere here the mountain, high mountain, low mountain, plateau, plains, and the trenches. ठीक है? Many other type of the physical features, yeah, variation in the physical features found in the, and also here the found the variation in social and the cultural elements, yeah, social and the cultural features. Geography word firstly coined by the Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar. Eratosthenes coined the word geography. Word geography coined by the Eratosthenes, the Greek geographer. The father of the geography is Hecataeus, and number 2 here Eratosthenes, because Eratosthenes coined the word geography. And the birth of the Eratosthenes 276 BC, and the death of the Eratosthenes 194. Here तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना आपको from the zero. यहाँ से the birth of the Isa 0 before Christ 1 2 10 50 100, ठीक है, 150 194 200 250 276. The birth of the Eratosthenes 276 and death of the Eratosthenes 194 BC. और 0 के बाद 1 2 100 1000 2000 and now 2020, now 2020. दिस कंफ्यूज होता है ना कि 194 में बर्थ होना चाहिए और 276 ईयर द डे, बट ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है। बिफोर क्राइस्ट हम पहले जाएंगे ना, तो पहले कौन सा आने वाला है, 194, 200, 250, 276, तो इनमें से पहले वाला ईयर कौन सा है, 276 बिफोर द क्राइस्ट एरोस्टोनीज बर्थ एंड द डेथ ऑफ एरोस्टोनीज 194, ठीक है। 194 में डेथ और 276 ईयर द टू before Christ 276 birth and 194 here the death of the Eratosthenes, और now the year 2012 AD है ना, अभी क्या बोलेंगे AD और before Christ BC, clear। The geography word coined by the Eratosthenes and here the this word derived from the geo plus graphos word, geo plus graphos word, geo means earth and graphos means geo and graphos the Greek words, geo also Greek word and graphos also Greek word, geo mean earth and the graphos mean description, graphos mean description, ठीक है। तो earth description is called the geography, earth description is called the geography, the geography is the description of the earth, clear। Geography is the description of the earth, geography is the description of the earth, and studying next at the definition of the geography, first of all here what is geography, and here the answer of the questions from here, what is geography, what is geography, so geography is the description of the earth, and what is geography, here the next definition, study of the earth in form of human habitat, the study of the earth in form of human habitat is called geography, ठीक है। तो study of the earth in form of human habitat is called geography। आपको क्या करना है, ये इजी डेफिनेशन है, बाकी फिर और भी डेफिनेशन आने वाली है, ठीक है। कि व्हाट इज ज्योग्राफी, व्हाट इज ज्योग्राफी, आपसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन करेंगे, ज्योग्राफी एज ए सब्जेक्ट आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, हाँ, कि आर्ट्स क्लास इन ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट हियर, अब व्हाट इज आपसे फर्स्टली कोई पूछे व्हाट इज ज्योग्राफी और आपको ये भी नहीं आए, ठीक है, तो अच्छा नहीं होगा ना। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या करना है, मिनिमम 2 डेफिनेशन, बहुत इजी वाली भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें, है ना। ज्योग्राफी इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द अर्थ एंड स्टडी ऑफ द अर्थ इन फॉर्म ऑफ ह्यूमन हैबिटेट इज कॉल्ड द ज्योग्राफी, क्लियर। ये 2 डेफिनेशंस आपको लर्न करनी है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं आने वाली है, ठीक है ना। व्हाट इज ज्योग्राफी, जैसे आपको पूछा जाए आप क्या बोलोगे, ज्योग्राफी इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द अर्थ, कम से कम एक तो करो, फिर जिसको 1 लाइन हो जाए फिर नेक्स्ट, है ना, स्टडी ऑफ द अर्थ इन फॉर्म ऑफ ह्यूमन हैबिटेट, क्लियर। नेक्स्ट ईयर, द अर्थ हैज always been seen as the abode of human beings, abode of human beings, the earth has always been seen as the abode of human beings and earth is multi-dimensional, ठीक है। अर्थ में क्या, this line, the earth has always been seen the abode of human beings, total here the human beings found on the earth surface, ठीक है, and other creature also, the earth is the residence of habitat of human beings and the other creatures of the earth is the multi-dimensional, ठीक है, earth is multi-dimensional, that is many disciples from natural sciences and social sciences study different aspect of the earth surface। देखो here the word multi-dimensional, अब multi-dimensional से मीन यानी एक ही का नहीं है ना, बहुत से, multi-dimensional here the also natural sciences, also here the social sciences, the study different aspect of the earth surface, ठीक है। earth that is multi-dimensional मतलब क्या हो गया कि हम अर्थ मल्टी डायमेंशनल है और मल्टी डायमेंशनल में स्टडी क्या कर रहे हैं, स्टडी क्या करेंगे हम, नेचुरल हियर द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द सरफेस, दिस डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट, और डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट में क्या रहा है, all these natural sciences and the social sciences, natural sciences and the social sciences, तो here earth is multidimensional, that is many disciples from natural sciences की जो many features है, branches है, disciples है, and social sciences study different aspect of the earth surface, it is closely related to other disciplines like geology, meteorology, history, सोशियोलॉजी, etc. ज्योग्राफी इज क्लोजली रिलेटेड, देखो ये वाला और ये वाला अप्रोक्स सेम ही है ना, कि ज्योग्राफी इज क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू नेचुरल साइंसेज एंड सोशल साइंसेज, सोशल एंड कल्चरल साइंसेज, ऐसे भी हम कर सकते हैं ना. Geography is the closely related to the natural sciences and the social sciences. Yeah, geography is closely related to other disciplines like geology, meteorology, part of the natural sciences. Yeah, natural sciences है ना, and history and sociology is the part of the social sciences. Clear? So all these here the brief knowledge about the geography as a subject. What is geography and why we study about the geography?